I recently created a video showcasing a body transformation. If you haven't seen it yet, you can find the link in the description. Today's video focuses on lower body transformation. These exercises are effective for both men and women looking forward to transform their bodies. Incorporating breaks, walking, and running into your routine is also beneficial for lean body transformation. Some of the top exercises for strengthening and transforming your lower body include: number one is squats. Proper execution of the squat is essential in achieving the desired result. To do it correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands behind your head. This is your initial position. Start the movement by bending your knees and hips while sitting back with your hips. Lower yourself to the full depth if possible, then swiftly reserve the motion until you are back to the starting position. Throughout the squat, ensure your head and chest are kept up and push your knees outward. Repeat this for 12 times. Number 2 is lunge. Start by positioning yourself with your feet at shoulder width and your hands placed on your hips. Proceed by moving one leg forward, bending both knees to lower your hips. Lower yourself until your back knee is close to touching the ground. Keep your back straight and ensure that your front knee is aligned with your front foot. Push through the heel of your front foot and straighten both knees to lift yourself up. Take a step forward with your back foot and perform the lunge again on the other leg. Repeat this for sequence 12 times. Number 3 on the list is glute bridge. Lie on your back and set your knee about shoulder width apart with your feet flat to the ground and your knee bent. Make sure your toes are pointed straight forward and that your heels are 6 to 8 inches from your glute. Lay your arms flat on either side of you with your palm open towards the ceiling. Slowly raise your hips, engage your glute and squeeze your abs. Lower your hips back down to the ground in a controlled motion without releasing the tension in your abs and glute. Lower your hips back down to the ground in a controlled motion without releasing the tension in your abs. Number 4 on the list is calf raises. Calf raises strengthen the muscle, tendons, and ligaments in your feet and ankles. This supports joint health in your ankles, boosts stability, and helps prevent injuries like sprains. It is done by standing upright, holding two dumbbells by your side and your shoulders back. Place the balls of your feet on the exercise step or a weight plate. Make sure your heels aren't touching the floor. With your toes pointing forward, raise your heels off the floor and contract your calves. The key is in the tempo. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this for 12 times. The fifth one is star jump. Star jumps are a polymetric exercise that activates muscle groups across the upper body and lower body. Perform the star jump exercise by standing in a quarter squat position with your feet hip width apart and a slight bend in your knees. Push up the floor and jump with an explosive movement. While in mid-air, fully extend your arms and legs out to form a star shape. Bring your limbs back towards your body and land softly. Enhancing your lower body through this workout regimen is essential for achieving the desired transformation. Strengthening these muscles can boost your resting metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn even when at rest. Stay tuned for future upper body transformation workouts and remember to like, share, and subscribe for regular updates. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.